August 1933. With the country in the depths of depression, a young man named George Kress wanted to build a better box. With an awful lot of youthful energy, some very good health, and no money, George Kress founded Green Bay Packaging.
I was a salesman, I was a superintendent, I was a purchasing agent, I was a treasurer, I was the accountant. It was a one-man business in every sense of the word.
His hard work paid off. After Prohibition, George's beer boxes made an instant impact on the market and on the growth of the company. By World War II, Green Bay Packaging people were helping win the war by delivering dependable, high-quality products to Uncle Sam. Customer service, teamwork, and innovation helped Green Bay Packaging grow quickly.
You can imagine we were very customer-minded, very service-minded, because when we got an order, it meant everything to all us. The fellows in the plant would be waiting for me to come back at 4 o'clock to see how many orders I had to run the next day. So labor with me too. They were on my side. And that's what gave the service that made it possible for me to grow in the area. We were actually customer-minded far beyond any of our competitors, because it started at the roots. It started with the worker in the plant.
After the war, the market quickly changed. The board supply for boxes was tight, and George wondered whether he could make his own. Corrugating medium had always been made of straw, but George heard of a process by Forest Products Laboratory for making corrugating medium from wood.
Forest Products Laboratory sold me. I trusted them. People that made straw poo-pooed them, but I put my faith in them and tried to put together a mill on a shoestring basis.
George's mill was built with used machinery and a lot of faith in people. The original plan was for a 96-inch machine, but George thought it smarter to build larger. The engineers built a 161-inch machine, and Green Bay Packaging was off and running. Green Bay Packaging engineers refined what became the industry standard NSSC pulping process. It meant stronger boxes and cleaner water. The company became recognized for its standards long before environmental issues became a consumer focus. Neutral sulfite semi-chemical pulping was the first step of packaging's leadership in the business of the environment. Green Bay Packaging continued its leadership in environmental issues throughout the 50s and 60s. Converting wood waste into paper was introduced to preserve resources of the land and to produce a smarter profit for the plant. Green Bay Packaging also began its commitment to the reuse of old containers, but recognition for its environmental commitment wouldn't come for 35 years because, well, Green Bay Packaging was way ahead of its time. By the end of the 50s, the operation included the Green Bay Mill, Green Bay Folding Carton, and Green Bay Shipping Container divisions. In the 60s, expansion continued, and Green Bay Packaging continued to put its profits back into the operation, back into jobs. Southern Woodlands was the first operation in the South. It literally became the roots of the entire Arkansas Craft Division. Arkansas began producing much-needed liner board to support the rest of the organization. The 70s and 80s were witness to continued expansion and success. Pinecrest Division was built. Mill operations expanded, and major renovations were completed. Converting operations and transportation networks spread. Advanced computers, up-to-date equipment, and some of the most modern facilities in the world were constructed. Green Bay Packaging's commitment to the environment also continued. The National Sports Federation honored Green Bay Packaging with its top award for its water standards. The Isaac Walton League recognized Green Bay Packaging for its work with pollution abatement. Nominated by the Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources, The prestigious award was the first and last time a paper company was honored by the Isaac Walton League. Today, Green Bay Packaging is well positioned. As a vertically integrated, environmentally sensitive, quality-driven manufacturing corporation, the company is dedicated to continued growth and success. The quality is evident throughout. The mill operations encompass 8 divisions in Arkansas, Wisconsin, and Alabama. Fiber Resources provides the raw materials, nearly 200,000 acres of genetically superior trees, which eventually become chips for the mill at Morrilton, logs for the Pinecrest division, homes for Americans in virtually every state. The mill at Morrilton and the mill in Green Bay use the most sophisticated technology to produce top-grade value-added liner board with wood chips and recycled paper. Renovation of the Green Bay mill has made it possible to change from producing corrugating medium to manufacturing 100% recycled liner board, the best product for the market today. Mill operations are supported by engineering and expansion, involved in all phases of expansion, from concept through contract supervision. Paper slitting operation serves the tissue, toweling, tube, core, battery, edge board, and a host of other industries with quality paper products. Goslin Birmingham Division manufactures processing equipment in the craft recovery area for the pulp and paper industries. Pulp and Paper Systems designs, engineers, and supplies a wide variety of equipment and components for the paper-making operations of the Green Bay and Arkansas mills. Transportation is a key link in moving raw material between operations and getting it to the customer on time. Green Bay Packaging is an investment partner in 10 short-line railroads located in Arizona, North Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Georgia, Arkansas, and Wisconsin. The Arkansas Railroad, the Little Rock and Western, is Green Bay Packaging's first and links Arkansas craft to major railroads in Little Rock, another unique competitive advantage. Container manufacturing operations are located in Green Bay, De Pere, Wausau, and Monroe, Wisconsin, as well as St. Paul, Minnesota, Kalamazoo, Michigan, Fremont and Cincinnati, Ohio, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Fort Worth, Texas. Each facility has the expertise and high-speed machinery to provide for unique container needs. White value-added liner board produced by the Arkansas Craft Division is converted to the exact requirements of manufacturers large and small in virtually every industry in the United States. Green Bay Packaging's market share is 20% of all white liner board for point-of-purchase containers in the United States. Point-of-purchase liner board has been a major growth industry with the advent of mega retail stores like Walmart and Kmart. Packaging engineers work with customers to design the most creative, most functional containers available. An uninterrupted supply of raw materials ensures that the converting operations can control the quality, uniformity, and delivery date of the product. Green Bay Packaging's folding carton division's artists, designers, engineers, and technicians produce many different types of folding cartons and displays. Multicolor offset printing, die cutting, windowing, folding, and gluing are all part of the converting package. Coated Products Division converts a full range of papers, films, and foils into the highest quality pressure-sensitive materials for the highly diverse roll label market. Coated Products enjoys a 7% U.S. market share in the pressure-sensitive label stock industry. Converting operations customers recognize the operation for its full range of packaging services. Packaging Systems Division designs custom automated packaging machinery to meet the special needs of high-volume producers. Supporting the converting operations is the Mechanical Electrical Systems Division, providing mechanical and electrical assistance on major projects and in-house equipment fabrication. The entire operation is linked to Green Bay, with each division connected to the main computer at corporate headquarters. The flexible decision-making necessary to provide instant cost, sales, accounting, and credit data is available at the touch of a keypad on a computer. Through years of continuous reinvestment and development, Green Bay Packaging is now better positioned to compete for business today and for business in the future. A good example of Green Bay Packaging's position is its most recent product innovations. EcoBright Container Board has a surface of recycled newspaper. It is gray as contrasted to the normal brown of corrugated shipping containers, which enhances graphic reproduction. EcoBright also utilizes old corrugated materials, bringing the total recycled content to more than 50%. Its high old newspaper and old corrugated content means significant environmental benefits, both in terms of conserving trees and in alleviating mushrooming landfills. EcoBright is a patented product. EcoWhite Container Board has a surface of difficult-to-recycle white office waste paper. It also contains old corrugated materials for a total recycled content of more than 50%. It provides an economical solution for those containers where ecological concerns and appearance are both important. It offers outstanding graphic reproduction, making it suitable for all kinds of displays and packaging. EcoWhite is another patented product of Green Bay Packaging. EcoStack Container Board is the first 100% recycled high-performance container board available. It allows customers an opportunity to reduce the weight of shipping containers 5 to 20%. Green Bay Packaging's innovation and imagination has garnered national recognition, including Corrugated Manufacturer of the Year as voted by fiber box purchasers throughout the United States. Special recognition from the Wisconsin State Legislature, partnership awards from many customers, and the first in the history of the United States, the President's Environment and Conservation Challenge Award.
And today we're honoring 9 medalists and 23 citation winners who embody the new generation of environmental entrepreneurs. As president, I've had the distinction of honoring Americans for their achievement in the arts, humanities, sciences, and this time now has come for the country to honor achievement in the understanding and conservation of our environment.
Providing a superior product using recycled materials, Green Bay Packaging is leading its industry in an environmentally sound direction. Receiving the award today is Mr. Roger Hoffman, Executive Vice President of Mill Operations.
We are also recognizing companies that have integrated environmental values into virtually every single business decision.
Honored by presidents and customers throughout history as an innovative leader. But as Henry Ford once said, history is bunk.
What Henry meant was, history doesn't sell automobiles. History doesn't sell packaging either. The world is different from the days when Ford had a better idea, when George had a better idea.
The key today and tomorrow will be anticipate, adjust, and take advantage of the changing market. That's what sells packaging. The challenge for the people of Green Bay Packaging is to work together, to work toward a goal of customer satisfaction and the challenge of beating the pants off anyone trying to take away what we've worked 60 years to achieve. The weapon of choice in the world war for market share, jobs, and prosperity is quality and continuous improvement.
You've heard it since 1984. We must stress quality and quality improvement. It's the key to our future.
Even though Green Bay Packaging is an award-winning, innovative, profitable packaging producer, it can't rest on its laurels. No quality producer can afford to stand still in the market. The competition is tough. It wants our customers, wants our jobs, our benefits, and will do anything to get them. If they must build it better, faster, less expensively to beat Green Bay Packaging, they will try. Fortunately, Green Bay Packaging is well positioned to be a tough competitor in the future. For one, the company is privately held and has virtually no debt. Wise investing, responsible growth, innovative products and services have all contributed to the strong financial position of Green Bay Packaging. Another important factor is the facilities. Green Bay Packaging has the pieces in place to be a very strong competitor. Timberlands and recycling facilities provide the raw materials. The mill operations produce the finest quality liner board. Railroads move materials efficiently and expeditiously. Container plants, specialty converting operations feature the finest equipment in the business. Equipment engineering, manufacturing, and maintenance keeps everything in tip-top competitive shape. Information systems and networks, modern warehousing, and a strong supplier network. This is the muscle of the manufacturer. The brains behind the muscle are the people of Green Bay Packaging. Intelligent, well-trained, hard-working, dedicated. The key to the future of Green Bay Packaging is people. People who produce the paper, ride the rails, program the computers, create the ideas, develop the products, convert the paperboard, satisfy the customer. These are the people who built Green Bay Packaging, the people who are building it today, the people in the best position to continue building tomorrow. Unlike some other companies, Green Bay Packaging people are in an excellent position to be extremely successful in the 21st century. Everything is in place for success. With a highly skilled workforce, one that works together, one that shares information and works within divisions and networks, Green Bay Packaging people can achieve a higher standard of living. The people of Green Bay Packaging are fortunate. Their families are too. Everything is in place for the company to grow in the world's second industrial revolution. A revolution where the key to success is customization, innovation, speed, quality. To ensure Green Bay Packaging's place in the revolution, teamwork and commitment to quality improvement are paramount. The Crosby and Deming principles of quality management have been developed and fine-tuned in the operation since 1984. Now, it is time to show the world what we've learned. Green Bay Packaging is dedicated to the continuous improvement of products and services. Through employee participation and partnership with customers and suppliers, we will accomplish our mission in the next decade, in the century ahead.
We're going to accomplish all that we set out to do in 1984. Our commitment to the customer, our commitment to each other is very strong. It must remain strong in the years ahead.
In the 90s and into the next century, no one is going to build a better product. No one is going to serve the customer better. No one is going to take Green Bay Packaging jobs. The power of the people of Green Bay Packaging is just being tapped. From Morrilton to Monroe, Franklin Park to Fort Worth, Perry to Plumerville, quality people working together have been the key to success since '33. People and their ideas will remain the key tomorrow. George Kress had a good idea when he started making boxes. There have been many great ideas since. But who will come up with the next brilliant idea? Who will create more jobs? Who will produce the next patented product? Great ideas can come from someone you know, someone on your team, maybe someone like you. Working together, the future looks bright.